See him. Oh, Jared, I think somebody's here to see you.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say ni hao. Oh, there's her baby.
Hey, look, it's Mimi!
Hi, sweetie. I'm going to make sure this doesn't fall.
Look at her, look at her.
Olivia, who is that?
Is that brother? Hey, Jared. Give him a hug. That's Mimi.
What do you, hey, psst, what do you think? I'm supposed to get first hug.
Just barely got
Hey, Julia Grace, how are you? Come here. Mommy missed you. Hey, baby. Hello.
That's Mimi. Olivia.
That was awesome!
He has been, ever since we landed in Atlanta, May, Olivia. I'm like, oh my gosh.
He's been saying Mongolia for like...
Hey, you have built for our Jeremy, like you said.
He's America. Literally translated it.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
Let me get Grace's hand.
Beautiful man.
Hi.